Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave and this is Retired with Purpose. I thought I'd make a quick little intro video so you get an idea of what this channel's all about. First, a little bit about me. I've been an entrepreneur my entire life, and I actually owned and operated a brick and mortar store too, on top of that, for 40 years. So, all these different little side opportunities that I took advantage of. Some people call them side hustles and side gigs. And in the day, they used to call things moonlighting and so on. But it's other opportunities that you can look at and maybe gain a little bit of extra income. But more important, if you're retired or you're near retirement, one of the things that's very important to a lot of people is purpose, having purpose in their life. Well, that's what this channel is all about. I actually left my brick and mortar store, sold in 2022. So now on my YouTube channel, I explain all these different opportunities that I personally use and to see side income coming in, the money still rolls in, but more important, gives me purpose. It gives me something to do. Wake up every morning with some fire in my step, get out there, get around people, and also create my videos and other opportunities that I handle throughout the day. If you're interested in the ramblings of a soon to be 71-year-old born again Christian man, I invite you to follow along on my journey. I'll share a lot of information with you, and I really would appreciate your feedback in the comment sections and letting me know what those items are that you would like to see videos about. So if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome, like and subscribe, and go check out my videos.